Developing tonight, a D.C. family demanding answers after their loved one, who was a lifeguard, experienced a medical emergency while on the job. We're told Jasmine Jefferson almost drowned at the Roosevelt Aquatic Center. Several minutes reportedly went by before she was noticed and helped. Fox 5's Tisha Lewis joining us tonight from the news desk with those details. Tisha?
Well, really a tragic story here. Marina Jefferson's family now wanting answers and wants to know exactly what happened. The Washington Informer reporting the 21-year-old remains at Howard University Hospital in critical condition with substantial brain damage. We're told the incident took place on Wednesday night, November 29th, around 7. D.C.'s Department of Parks and Recreation is describing it as a sudden and unexpected medical emergency. We're told as part of its emergency action plan, D.C. Fire and Emergency Medical Services were contacted. The Washington Informer reporting Jefferson's family continues to question D.C. leaders about workers' compensation, benefits, and medical coverage. A spokesperson with the district's Parks and Recreation tells Fox 5 the Roosevelt Aquatic Center is operated by D.C.'s Parks and Rec on behalf of D.C. Public Schools. We're told the district's Parks and Rec utilizes the Jeff Ellis and Associates International Lifeguard Training Program and employs more than 100 pool-based personnel. Staffing reportedly varies based on several factors, including pool size, operating hours, and programming.
The legal recourse this family has is it's kind of interesting because she was an employee of DC, of District of Columbia. She's going to have an ability to file a workers' comp claim under their statute that allows for that. It's going to be separate and apart from what I would call a normal personal injury claim, but many workers' comp claims are treated a lot like personal injury claims, very similar.
Attorney Lin McCraw is unrelated to the case. Meanwhile, in a statement emailed to Fox 5, D.C. Parks and Rec says DPR lifeguards assessed the employee and rendered immediate care until D.C. Fire and Emergency Medical Services arrived and provided additional emergency care to the employee. There were no patrons at the facility, and Roosevelt was fully staffed during the time of this incident. Roosevelt operates with a minimum of 3 pool operators to maintain pool chemistry and also rescue duties. Meanwhile, we are told the district's Department of Parks and Rec director visited the hospital the night of the incident and continues to remain in contact with the Jefferson family, describing the incident as heartbreaking for all parties involved. The director went on to say the health and safety of employees is paramount importance, describing the incident as shocking and saying many are still processing what happened. The district's Parks and Rec also says they are working with the Jefferson family on their information requests to the Office of Risk Management.